This is Paul in Aktau, Kazakhstan, preparing to set out across the steppes of Kazakhstan into Central Asia. And today I'm with Kamal and her friends who have been very great in helping me build saddlebags for horses. And this is an act of reclaimed memory. So here's the horse saddle. I'll be carrying a cargo, I'll be taking a cargo horse. And this is a very old saddle that clearly has seen some hard use. And this is Kamal, and these are her workers who've been tremendous in helping me try to redesign saddlebags, a technology that has been not known here for generations, right? Because not too many people walk anymore or use saddle horses. So here's the beautiful details. Very nice. So I might ask Kamal to throw the saddle strap over the saddle to show how it's going to be. They're in the process of manufacturing the second saddlebag. And so, Amelia, can you help me with Kamal? Just can Kamal tell us her full name?
Менің атым Камал. Мен осы ателье Камалдың қожайынымын осы жердегі.
So her name is Kamal, and she's the founder of this atelier.
And what are the names of her other two helpers?
Сосын көмекшілеріміздің аты.
And has Kamal and her helpers ever had to build saddlebags before?
Бұрын қоржын жасап көрдіңіз бе аттың еріне арналған қоржын?
Мынау біздің бірінші жасап тұрған қоржынымыз. Біздер білетін адамдан сұрап, солай осыны жасап жатырмыз.
So it's their first time doing something like this, doing saddlebag for horses saddle. So they were consulting people they know who know horses and who have experience.
And how difficult was this to make? Is this normally you make dresses, you make clothing. This is very different.
Сіз деген мына ателье деген көбінесе киім тігетін ателье, ол киім тігесіз. Ал мынау одан басқа. Мынау киім тіккеннен қалай болды? Басқаша болды.
Бұл жұмыс бізге өте қызықты болды. Қыздар деген жасап жатқан осы екі қызымыз Лаура мен Альфия. Оларға өте қызықты, осыны біз өзіміз кәдімгі с удовольствием делаем.
So they really enjoyed the process, and it was very interesting, and also they've learned a lot. And she's appreciating the girls who really put a lot of things to doing this.
A lot of effort, a lot of analysis. So I might, Amelia.
It was really enjoyable.
Interesting project, and they're about halfway done, maybe a little more than halfway. Amelia, if I could ask you to stand next to them because the light behind you is a little bright. And if I could ask somebody they've added a surprise here under the flap, if they could show us what's under the flap. So the team here has left their names and the dates, and this is also Emilia, my translator, is being commemorated on these saddlebags as well. So my friends, I will be carrying your memory and your work maybe all the way to Kitai, all the way to China.
Yes, exactly. Қытайға дейін насу Пулитсер, осы сіздің аттарыңыз бәрі
Өте қуаныштымыз біздің ательемізге осындай келіп, бізге тіктіріп жатқанына біз ризамыз.
So it was a pleasure to have you here, and thank you that you chose us to do it. So it was a great pleasure and honor.
Great. Rahmet. Thank you guys.
Сізге де жолыңыз болсын, қайда жүрсеңіз де жолыңыз ақ болсын, барлығы тек жақсылық болсын, алдыңыздан тек жақсы адамдар кездесін.
We wish you all the best in your upcoming endeavors and trip, and may the best people to be only the best people.
Tell them that I've met a few here at their atelier.
Сізді
Rahmet. Again, guys, this is a saddlebag that the workers at Kamal's atelier have built from scratch, consulting their friends in villages about what it should look like. This is technology that is now pretty much extinct in this part of Kazakhstan, which has become motorized, of course, with cars. Thank you, everybody. Rahmet, as they say here. Bye-bye.
Қай уақытта қай жерде көрсетеді, біз көре аламыз ба?